DNW Show. I am Dennis.
And I am Wildfire. Today we are examining an analogy
Between Mr. Pollock and parts of a plant cell. Mr. Pollock is a 7th grade science teacher.
and cells are self-explanatory.
Cytoplasm is like Mr. Pollock's tissue and blood cells.
Cytoplasm is a gel-like material inside of the cell, or in this case, Mr. Pollock.
Mr. Pollock's blood cells are similar to this concept. Don't ask how we know. Bum, bum, bum.
While the cell membrane is like Mr. Pollock's skin, the nucleus is like his brain, and the nucleus membrane is like his skull.
If you don't understand the skull and nucleus membrane resemblance, the nucleus membrane protects the nucleus and the skull protects the brain.
The nucleus is like Mr. Pollock's brain, referring to the phrase, the nucleus is the brain of the cell.
The cell membrane's duty is to protect the cell and give it its shape. And Mr. Pollock's skin does just that. Mr. Pollock's bone marrow is like the Golgi bodies, another part of the cell.
The Golgi bodies receive proteins, then package and distribute them to other parts of the cell.
The mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell.
It is like Mr. Pollock's heart/lungs. Intermission!
Mr. Pollock's teeth are like the cell's lysosomes.
Lysosomes are small structures that break down certain materials.
The vacuole is a large sac inside a plant cell, which acts like a storage area for food and water.
It is like Mr. Pollock's stomach.
Mr. Pollock's muscles
What muscles?
are like the cell's endoplasmic reticulum.
Which controls movement of materials throughout the cell.
The cell's ribosomes are like Mr. Pollock's glasses.
They are tiny structures that make important substances called protein, or in this case, vision.
The chromosomes, or chromatin, are inside the nucleus, containing genetic info called DNA.
They are like Mr. Pollock's mommy and daddy.
Mr. Pollock's Diet Pepsi is like the chloroplast.
He uses the caffeine from the Pepsi to stay awake.
Chloroplasts use energy from the sun to make food for plant cells.
Finally, Mr. Pollock's house is like cell walls in a plant cell,
The cell walls protect plant cells and give them structural support.
which is similar to Mr. Pollock's house.
That's it for tonight.
Thanks for watching the DNW Show
With Dennis,
and Wildfire.
the
DNW Show!
Oh, yeah. Hello, welcome to the DNW Show. I am Dennis,
And I am Wildfire.
and today we have an analogy. How do you pronounce it?
It's an ology.
Mr. Pollock's teeth are like the cell's lysosomes.
Lysosomes are tiny small structures.
Blood cells are similar to this concept.
It's 6 o'clock.
What the heck was that?